Welcome to Arlington Community Arts. Today we're making musical artist portraits. Begin by cutting out your musical artist. There may be elements in the background that you want to cut out and use later as well. Glue your musical artist to a piece of decorative paper. Cut out shapes from another piece of decorative paper to glue in your background. You can make any shape you want, or you can follow the pattern on the paper. Now you can embellish your portrait further if you would like by gluing down sequins or using markers. Cut off any paper that may be hanging over the edge and your musical artist portrait is done.